Good morning, guys. We're going to quickly review what we did yesterday and go over dividing by 3-digit numbers as well. Alright, we need to remember our steps as divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. And we said that we can remember that by dead monkeys smell bad. Okay, so let's start off pretty easy this morning. If I was to give you the problem 36 divided by 6, the first thing we need to do is to look and see if we can divide by our ones. We cannot do 3 divided by 6, so now we need to look at our ones and tens, so our problem is still 36 divided by 6. We know that we can get 6 groups of 6 out of 36, and I can check that with my multiplication. 6 times 6 gives me 36. Now I subtract. I don't have anything to bring down, so my answer is finished. My answer is 6 with a remainder of 0. All right, let's do another one. Let's look at 92 divided by 2. All right, so first we start with our ones. 9 divided by 2. So we need to think of how many groups of 2 that we could get out of the number 9. And it is 4. Notice that I put my 4 over the ones because that's where I'm working. Now we go on to multiply. 2 times 4 is 8. I subtract, and then I have to bring it down. Now we have to start over. My new division problem is 12 divided by 2. We can get 6 groups of 2 out. Now let's multiply. 2 times 6 is 12. Subtract, and I have nothing else to bring down, so I am finished. Our quotient here is 46 with a remainder of 0. All right, let's look at one that has a remainder. We do it the exact same way. Let's do 37 divided by 3. Okay, first we ask ourselves if we can divide our ones. 3 divided by 3. How many groups of 3 can I get out of 3? It would be 1. Now let's multiply. 3 times 1 is 3. Subtract, and then we have to bring it down. All right, now we are dividing 7 divided by 3. I can get 2 groups of 3 out of 7. Let's multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. Now we subtract. This time we're left with a number at the bottom. So now my remainder is 1. Remember that we said the remainder was left over. So you're going to do a few problems dividing with 2-digit numbers. You will have some remainders and some you will not. Okay, so today now we're going to look at dividing with 3-digit numbers. All right, so our first example, let's look at 693 divided by 3. Again, we're going to do the exact same steps. Let's first start in our ones. How many groups of 3 can I get out of the number 6? 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now let's multiply. 3 times 2 gives me 6. Now I need to subtract and bring it down. We haven't done anything new yet. Now let's start over. 9 divided by 3. We can get 3 groups of 3. 3 times 3 gives me 9. Let's subtract. And now we have to bring down our last number. This is something new that we haven't seen before. All right, now we have 3 divided by 3. 3 will go into 3 one time. Let's multiply. 3 times 1 is 3. We need to subtract. I have a remainder of 0, and I have nothing else to bring down, so I'm finished. All we did is went through divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down one more time because we added a number. All right, let's do another example.